I love to make my own lip balm, and I use a lot of lip balm. Nick uses a lot of lip balm. In fact, he cannot live without it. If we leave somewhere and he doesn't have his lip balm, it is a deal breaker. We have to go back. He's even thought of like, what could I use if I didn't have lip balm? Would I use butter? Would I use olive oil? I mean, this is a real survival mode thing that he gets into. The good news is I never have to carry lip balm because he's always got it. It's very, very simple to make your own lip balm. And what I discovered this first time is that I'm not gonna buy new lip balm containers. I'm gonna reuse what I've been using and we ran out of this last season. And that's good for the environment, it's good for the pocketbook, and it's very simple to do. I just boiled water and doused them really well, cleaned them out with paper towel, and they're ready to go. Basically, I've got a double boiler going here, and I'm gonna boil water in this pan, and then I'm going to put my ingredients in this floating metal bowl. So I gotta bring that to a boil first. Okay, so today we're going to use almond oil, coconut oil, beeswax, a little vitamin E, and llang essential oil. But you can use any essential oils you like. Peppermint, lavender, vanilla, sweet almond. Okay, first we're gonna start with the beeswax pellets. And I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons. You see they're quickly melting. Okay, then you wanna do equal part of the oil. So I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. If you do more beeswax than oil, your lip balm will be too hard, and I've definitely done that before. Just a splash of the vitamin E. 3 splash. And we'll do the essential oils at the very end, once it's off the heat and right before we put it into the containers. And then we're going to use this little eyedropper to get the oil into the lip balm containers. It's like feeding baby goats. I don't want to spill one drop. The chapstick is complete, and now we need to see if the chapstick connoisseur of the world thinks it's good.
Bring me the chapstick. Bring it hither. Let me sample from your wares.
Here, sir.
Please, into my hand. What lovely bounty you've brought me.
What does it say?
For Nick. This should last me at least a week.
And here you go. Can you open it and show them what it looks like?
Do you think they'd be impressed by my one-handed chapstick move?
Show them that.
Look at the dexterity, my friends.
How does it feel?
So smooth going on.
Yeah.
Do I catch a hint? A hint of coconut? Oh, what is that? A little vitamin E? Very light on the wax this time. I really appreciate that. Overall, a full, smooth experience. The moisturizing texture is something that I'll be able to live with for 3 or 4 minutes.
Look at those lips. Not a wrinkle on them. Lips by Megan. Lips by Megan for Megan.
Only for you, my love. Only for you.
So what do you rate this one?
On the Nikita scale of chapstick acceptability, I'd give this an 8.8.
What? How could it be better?
Root beer flavor.
Okay, thanks for joining me with this DIY lip balm recipe. Next, I'm going to show you what I use for skincare. And it's really simple, really economical, and I think effective. So stay tuned.
And it smells as good as the lip balm.